Hello everyone, my name is Jessica with Crypto Noobs, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to acquire Darwinia's C-Ring token, which is part of their test network, Crab network, and then transferring that to your own wallet in order to stake it and earn rewards. And with this process, you will be able to do the same with Darwinia's Ring token, which is on their mainnet. But today I will show you how to do that with their testnet. So before we get started, I will give a brief explanation of what Darwinia Network is. And it is part of the Polkadot ecosystem. And here it says Darwinia Network is a decentralized cross-chain bridge network building on Substrate, which is the Golden Gate Bridge of the cross-chain ecology. It provides the safest general bridge solution connecting Polkadot, Ethereum, Tron, and other heterogeneous chains by cross-chain asset transfers and general remote chain call. Also, its main application areas include DeFi, cross-chain, NFT trading, market, games, etc. Darwinia Network has won a high reputation and recognition along the way to build the decentralized cross-chain bridge protocol. And that is actually shown right here with all of these different badges. As you can see, they've even received a Web3 Foundation grant. And yeah, so this project is legit for sure, and they're actually going to be participating in Kusama's parachain auctions very soon. Yeah, so Darwinia is, up and running, has their mainnet launched already and their testnet. So they've done quite a lot so far, and I'm excited to see where they're going to be in the future. So I'm going to do a quick overview of the tokens on the Darwinia network. And so first there's Ring, and Ring is a native token for Darwinia network, and it can be used as gas for transactions. Gas include transaction fees, contract execution fees, network bandwidth charges, and all of that. And then Katon is used to encourage users to make long-term commitments, and pledged users can choose to lock Ring for 3 to 36 months in the process of staking, and the system will offer a Katon token as a reward for users participating in staking. And at the time of this video, one Katon token does sell for about $60, so pretty good reward so far. So this is on the Darwinia network, and then on Darwinia's test network, Crab network, the equivalent is C-Ring and C-Katon token. So that's what we'll be working with today. And so what I'm going to show you first is how to acquire the C-Ring. So to do that, let's go here in MXC, and I'm going to click on standard here under exchange, and then here at the top right I'm going to search for C-Ring, and I have already purchased C-Ring, so I will not be doing it here with you guys, but I'll just show you the process of how to go about it. So if I were to buy this again, what I would do actually is buy some XLM, some Stellar Lumens on Coinbase Pro, where the fees are much cheaper just for purchasing alone. And then I would then send that over to MXC, then convert or rather sell the XLM for USDT. And then I would use that USDT to purchase CRING. So there are some hoops there, but I did find this to be the most cost-effective way of getting funds on the exchange without paying like extra fees or waiting for too long. You do have to be mindful though with Coinbase Pro. There is a period of time that you have to wait before withdrawal. So if you want to avoid that, you can just use Coinbase directly, or you can buy here, up to you. And it depends on what country you are in. your situation. It may, you may find that one way works better than another. This is just what I found to be working well for me. So yeah, so just sharing that. Okay, so once you have some USDT, then you can place an order um, to buy the C-ring. And for some reason right now, you're only able to place limit orders and stop limit orders, but earlier when I bought, I did just use a market order. So I'm just going to demonstrate what that would look like with the ring token. So here you can, put the amount that you want to buy, like in USDT. So let's say like, 100. Well, I don't have that much right now, but you put the total that you would have out of the USD that you have on your account, and then you can click here buy ring or buy C-ring to get ring in that way. And after you do that, it will take some time to transfer the USDT into C-ring, and you will go here top right and click on my assets, and then you should be able to find it when you search for it. So here is mine, and I'm going to click on withdraw. And I will not be withdrawing just yet, because first I'm going to show you how to get the wallet on Crab Network, where you'll be able to deposit the C-ring. So if you worked with a Polkadot ecosystem, you probably have the Polkadot.js extension already. But if not, then I will leave the link for it below so that you can download it. So after you download it, you should have it here, like this. For some reason it won't stay. Okay, there. So then here, when you have it, click here, and then you can add an account. So click on this plus button, and then you can click on create new account if you don't have any account already. But if you do, if you have any account with the Polkadot.js wallet, you can use the same seed phrase to create a wallet on the Crab Network. So that's something that's really handy when you're working within the Polkadot ecosystem. Once you have an account through Polkadot.js, you can just reuse the seed phrase in multiple places. If you don't have it, the process is pretty simple. I will just show you really quickly of how that would look like. So you would click create new account, and then here you get a 12-word mnemonic seed, and this is basically the way that you can access your account. This is really important. Do not lose this, and do not show it to anybody. The only reason that I'm showing it to you guys is because I will not be using this account. I'm just showing you for demonstrational purposes. So I would suggest that you write this down somewhere in multiple locations, preferably on paper, offline, somewhere where it cannot be hacked or compromised. So you can do that. I would not even suggest copying into clipboard. Again, I'm doing this just to show you. And then you can click on allow use on any chain. So this is what allows you to use the same account for multiple wallets. And then so here you can name it anything, and then you can add any password for the account, and then here you can click on add the account, and then here you go. And so that's your wallet, and so that's what will be used within the Darwinia Crab Network. So here I am. So this is the link, which again I will leave all the links below. And if you are not in if you do not see the Darwinia Crab Network title, then you're probably under the wrong network. So if you click on the top left icon, then here's a pop-up, and then you need to switch from whatever you're on, probably the Darwinia network, onto Crab Network, and then click on save. Since I'm already on it, I can't click on save again. And this is what you should be seeing. This is a Crab Network app. So this is how you'll be able to interact with your wallet, and this is where you'll be able to stake your CRING. So here at the top, if you click on this icon, then you can copy your address. So I'm going to do that, and then go back to MXC, and then paste the withdraw address. And I'm just going to do a test transaction. So it says that the minimum is 100. And I always like to do test transaction when I transfer funds for the first time, just to see that everything is working properly. And I would suggest that you do the same, even if there are some fees involved, which in this case it's not too much. It's only 10 CRING tokens, so I think it's not too bad. So I'm going to click on submit, and I need to go through the withdrawal process. Alright, so the withdrawal order has been submitted. So, wow, that was really fast. As you can see, I got the CRING already. So with that, I can send the rest of my funds over. And now I'm going to withdraw the rest. I've already entered the address, and just double check that you are sending to the correct address, even if you this is your second or however many time that you're doing this, because if you send it to the wrong account, you cannot recover your funds. I'm going to click on submit, and again I have to go through this verification. I'll be right back. And my order has been submitted, and I'm back in the Darwinia apps portal, and as you can see, it updated almost right away. So really fast transaction time, so that's pretty neat. So here I clicked on the staking now, but I guess before I do that, so what it says here is you need to stake some CKton or CRING to get power. The higher the power, the greater the share of reward. And please make sure that you have some excess CRING in this amount as gas fee. That's very important. So yeah, so just make sure that you just don't put the max here. Just leave some. I think the safe amount to leave is 100. I believe that most operations should not take more than 10 CRING to perform. So I think just to be safe, I'm just going to leave a little bit more than that. So just for any, I guess, future transaction fees, I think I'm going to do 100. So then that means that I can put about this amount. And so here you can choose either C-ring or CK ton. And right now, the only way that you are able to get CK ton is by staking your C-ring. And then later, once you get some CK ton through staking, you'll be able to stake that as well in order to get more power, which again will yield to even more rewards. So pretty neat feature. So make sure that everything looks good, that the amount is what you want it to be, and that you're happy with the power. And when you're ready, just click on bond. And as always, sign and submit. And here it says that the fees of 0.895 C-ring will be applied to the submission. So that's even less than expected. I thought maybe it would be around 10. So yeah, I don't think this is something you check actually. I think you just have to click on sign and submit. So this window pops up, so then you just need to enter your password for your account. And click on sign, and then this is where you can see the progress. And looks like everything's good. So yeah, so and that's how you go about staking. So one thing actually that I forgot to note is the bonding time. So I'm going to show you here by clicking bond more. So here I forgot to mention that you can choose the term that you want to bond your C-ring for, and the longer that you put it in for, the more CK ton rewards you get. So something that you want to be mindful of when you do stake. And yeah, and that's it. And here's all the information that you will this is where you can get all the information related to what you staked, and if you want to unstake, then you would click here and bond, and as you can see here, your tokens will be available after 14 days. So again, something to keep in mind when you do stake, just the timing of everything and when you'll be able to use your tokens again. So yeah, so this is it. This is the end of the tutorial. You'll be able to do the same on Darwinia's main network as well with Ring and Katon. Also in the future, I do believe that C-ring will be renamed to Crab. And if you are watching this video when that happens, if that happens, then just know that the process is the same. It's just the names are different. And that is all. And if you have enjoyed this video, if you found it informative, please leave a like. And I would love to hear any feedback or questions or comments down below. And please subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload another video. And let me know what kind of videos you would like to see next. I am open to anything related to crypto. Recently, I've been really into the Polkadot ecosystem and all the different projects on it. But I'm also pretty bullish on ADA, and open to any projects really. There's so much fun stuff going on. So just let me know. And thank you again for watching, and have a good one.